I love my signature entrance. Now let's get waffling in style. With this little beauty of a Belgian waffle maker, everyone can savor his or her own cafe-style, 1-inch thick, fluffy waffle. In under 10 minutes, no less. The rotating Belgian waffle maker's 1000 watts of power make for faster heat-up time. And with a variable browning control, your waffles will come out just the way you like them. Speaking of just the way you like them, you can use any batter you want. From a classic recipe to a gluten-free recipe, the results will be exquisite. Feeling crafty and creative? You can even use the waffle maker to cook an omelet. Delicious, and it'll look just like a waffle. So how does it work? It's super easy. Preheat the waffle maker by plugging it in. A ready indicator light will let you know when it's go time. Pour in the batter and close the waffle maker, and simply rotate it as it cooks. The easy flip handle and variable browning control will crisp and fluff those waffles up to perfection. A removable tray is there to help you have a drip-free countertop. Super clean. Sweet, thanks. Now it's your turn to enjoy one. Treat yourself or a friend to Bella's non-stick rotating waffle maker and wow your taste buds with authentic Belgian taste. Bon appétit!
maker. It's great, especially if you are a coffee lover. It's important to grind your beans right before you're brewing your coffee for the freshest, most flavorful cup. This product is really interesting because you can set it for anywhere from 4 to 18 cups by sliding the bar. And what happens is when you hit start, it will grind exactly the right amount of coffee that you need for your coffee maker. The other thing that's nice is it's a half-pound hopper, which is removable. So is the lid. So you just pour your beans right in. Put the lid on. And I should also mention this is the removable chamber that holds the ground beans. It holds up to enough coffee for 32 cups. You just choose your size and you hit the power bar. And today I'm just going to choose 4. You hit start, and it's automatically going to grind the exact amount of beans that you want. But something I should mention is that it goes from fine, just by twisting this, all the way to coarse. And fine is used for espresso, and coarse would be used for things like French press. Today I'm going to put it on medium, and I'm just going to hit start. And there you have it. And then all you do is you remove the chamber in the front here. You don't even have to remeasure your coffee. You just put it right into the filter, and you'll have a beautiful, fresh, and flavorful cup of coffee by using the burr grinder.